What's up, everyone? Welcome to the shop. It's Wednesday. We take you behind the scenes in What's in the Shop Wednesday. We'll start with the vehicle behind me. We are in the Latrobe store, of course, and this is a G63, otherwise known as the G-Wagon. This is the twin-turbo V8 version. These things are like impossible to get. This one's getting a full paint protection film wrap with Expel 10 mil. So this is the thicker material, the best protection on the market, hands down, on every inch of this thing. Up on the lift is basically the same thing, a 10 mil wrap on an M5 competition. Another car that's extremely difficult to get. The competition series is awesome. It's got a really, really nice interior. They're wicked fast, and this color is gorgeous. It's for our good friend Billy. We're pretty much done with the wrap. Tint is done as well, and then it's getting ceramic coated. This one's getting coated as well. I don't think it's getting tint though. And an Escalade. Paint protection on the whole front. Fenders, mirrors, door cups, door sills, and a ceramic coating. That's why the wheels are off. We do a coating here. We always pull the wheels off the car. We do what's called a wheels off detail, clean the whole inside barrel of the wheel, and then coat everything. And then the calipers, if they were painted, they're not on these, those would get cleaned and coated as well. Right over here's a Ford Raptor. This is the new body style. Our friends over at Luna Auto Body painted to match a whole bunch of pieces on this thing that are normally that plastic or the gray color. This truck belongs to a professional football player. Not going to tell you which one, but we're doing a full stealth wrap on this. So every inch of this protected with Expel Stealth. It's going to change that finish to a satin finish. Same color, but not shiny anymore. Speaking of satin finish, in the bay we have a CLA 43 or 45, whatever, 40 something. This car's got a Magno finish from Mercedes-Benz, so there is no gloss from the factory. The problem with that, it's super hard to take care of. If there's any staining, if there's any little scratches or things like that, you cannot polish it out. So it's super important to get paint protection film on the satin finish cars. That's what this one's getting. Full front end protected with Expel Stealth. We also tinted the windows on this one this morning. We just had a Miata leave. That was another full wrap. We had 4 full wraps last week, and I think we've got another 4 this week or something. We're crazy busy. In the tint bay, they're just pulling out an Acura. Acura's got some cool colors. So this is the, I think, MDX Type S, and they're about to pull in a Silverado right now that's going to get some tint on the front windows of that one. Let's see what's outside. So we have a C6 Corvette. This one's getting paint protection film on the front bumper. So that's next in line. We'll have that one done today as well. Speaking of C6, if you haven't checked out our friend Justin, Horsepower Obsessed, he just got a C6 Z06. So if you're into Corvettes, check out his channel for sure. And we've got another Corvette. This one's a C4. So this car got PPF, paint protection film, the whole hood, the headlight covers, the front bumper, the rocker panels, and the mirrors. Pretty much all this thing had to be custom cut. It's not totally done yet. There's still some little touch up. That's what that little piece of tape is, just a bubble we got to take care of. Then it's ready to go home pretty much. It's getting tint too. These cars are a challenge to tint. And we have a GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate. The interior of this thing is ridiculous. Probably the nicest truck interior I've seen. This one got paint protection film on the whole front, plus the rocker panels the whole way back to the bed, and it got the windows tinted. And it's getting coated. So it's one of the next couple in line here for a coating. This truck had a cat skin leather interior previously installed. We don't do a lot of it much anymore, but the driver's side had some wear that was unusual. They covered it under warranty, and we of course covered it under warranty, so just got that pad replaced for that customer. And down here we've got 2 tractors, supercars on one end, tractors on the other end. That Caterpillar belongs to Mr. Barbish. It was here last week. It's finally tinted. We tinted all the way around the cab with our XR Plus tint, so the operator is going to stay a lot cooler. Plus it looks awesome. And then the green tractor, I believe all of those pieces and the tractor itself is getting ceramic coated. So that's up, not yet, coming up soon-ish, couple weeks I think. Over here's the Dodge Durango. We did a lot of work to this recently. There was a piece in the grill that needed replaced under factory warranty. So they went ahead and took care of that. We're gonna recoat the grill. And then we're also adding the wear and tear package. So the cups, edges, and sills are gonna get protected with Expel. It's not uncommon for somebody to get some work done and then come back and say, hey, let's add on, especially those wear and tear packages, because they're common abuse items. So once people start to see those get beat up, they wanna get them protected. Speaking of protection, this Rubicon was here last year. It's back for an annual inspection. So we did a good wash on that with our ceramic infused wash, made sure everything's performing, made sure the PPF still looks good. This one had a lot of tar and stuff on it. We made sure we got all of that stuff off of the coating, and it's looking like brand new again. Out front, we've got 2 cool cars. I'm biased. One of them is my GT4. still looking good after 11,000 miles. PPF still holding up good. Had a couple track days. That's 10 mil on that car. Awesome, awesome product from XPEL. And then we've got a full wrap on this Huracan. This one was done previously. It was back because he hit some road paint, so we were getting road paint off. We don't do that typically. This is for a really good friend and customer. He only trusts us with his car, so we made an exception to the rule this time. Let's see what's happening in Pittsburgh. That's it for Latrobe.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so let's take a tour through our Gibsonia shop. Outside, we have this 2018 Audi A8. This is getting our Prime XR 20% tint on all the side windows and the back window. Here we have a GMC Sierra. This is going to be getting the marker lights tinted. It's these orange reflectors here on the front and back of the fender flares on both sides. So all 4 reflectors are going to be tinted in our Luxe Dark Smoke taillight tint. And then all the glass will be getting cleaned and ceramic coated. In the showroom is this 2022 BMW X5M. This got some paint protection film and ceramic coating. For the paint protection film, we did the entire front bumper, the full hood, the rocker panel kit, and the back bumper, topped off with an XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. This 2022 Challenger Hellcat got the XPEL PPF on the entire front bumper, topped off with an XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. Here we have a 2022 Ford F350. This got a full front paint protection film, and Mark is currently doing the paint correction before the ceramic coating will be applied later on this week. Here we have Brandon tinting a 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is getting the 2 front windows done in our XPEL Prime XR 20% to match the back section. And this is next in line for our paint protection films. This vehicle is getting our full front package along with the wear and tear kit. In the back, we have a 2022 Ford Bronco. Earlier in the week, this got the 2 front doors done in 20% to match the factory tinted back section. It also got the full front and rocker panels done in our XPEL paint protection film, along with the A-pillars and roof. This is next in line for a Fusion Plus ceramic coating later on in the week. On the left, we have Austin touching up this 2023 Subaru BRZ. This got our full front paint protection film package. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
What's going on, everybody? It is that time of the week again, finally. So we are going to film What's in the Shop Wednesday this week. Let's see what we have going on here this week. So starting outside, we have this brand new 2022 Lexus GX 460. This is actually in for a full XPEL paint protection film wrap, as well as the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. This car is brand new. It has 15 miles on it. The customer drove it right from the dealership right to us. So that's pretty cool. And then over here is a 2022 Tesla Model S long range. This one came in and got XR Plus 20% on all of these side windows and the rear window. And then we also did our full front clip XPEL paint protection film. So we did the full hood, the front fenders, we did the little part on the cameras, the mirror caps, as well as the mirror stalks. We did the front bumper, as well as the headlights and the fog lights. And then we also did the door sills. So this thing is now just waiting to get the paint correction done and the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. And then over here, we have another vehicle that's a 2022. So this is a Land Rover Defender 90X Dynamic. This one was in for a lot of paint protection film. So we did basically the full front end, so the full hood, doing the grille, the headlights, these little like bumperette pieces, and then the fenders as well as the fender flares. And we're also doing the A-pillars, the mirrors, and then we're gonna do the full doors, the rear quarter panels, and then again the rear wheel well arches and the rocker panels. We also did the XPEL XR Plus 20% on the fronts, 70% on all of the rear section, including these little windows up top. So once the PPF is all done, we're going to be doing the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating on this as well. And then over here, this is actually a pretty cool car. This is our first one that we've seen, I believe, at all of our shops. This is a 2023 Nissan Z. This one is actually in for a full XPEL paint protection film wrap. Now, the fun part about this is there are no kits for it. So everything is going to have to be a bulk installation. So we're going to do the entire car that way. And then once that's done, it is also getting XR Plus 35% the whole way around with 70 on the windshield, and then followed by the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Let us know what you guys think about the new redesign of the Nissan Z. Do you like it or do you hate it? Doesn't look too bad. I actually kind of like it with these wheels. All right, so that's all that we have going on here at the Miami location this week. Let us know which one of these cars is your favorite. We're definitely curious to know, and we look forward to seeing you guys next week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our channel and our videos. We will greatly appreciate it. See you guys next week.